Hello everyone, have a beautiful hairband and hold your lovely hair from behind and tie the hairband around and secure it to the top. Then after that, grab a little section of the hair on the top and braid it in a thinner manner and secure it with the rubber band. Grab the same size of the hair at the bottom and do the same braiding. Then combine them together with another rubber band. This section of the hair we have twisted across each other right in the middle of the braid and have a rubber band attached to it. Continue doing the same until you reach the bottom part of the hair and have a loop and drop it inside for the heart and shape. Then drop in a lovely hair cluster right underneath the braid we have. Apply some hair wax in the middle section of the hair and comb it and separate the back section and have a ponytail on it. Then in the middle section of the hair, grab two little strands and grab strands of hair from either side of it, making the ridges visible. So continue doing it until you empty every hair in the middle section. Then after that, do the braiding as normal as you would do for a few inches away. Then after that, when you reach the rubber band, have strips of hair borrowed from the ponytail and have it in between the braid. Continue doing it until you empty every hair in the ponytail. Then secure the end with the rubber band and roll the entire braid in a clockwise direction. And continue doing it, dropping inside the loop and until you have a little braid. Then after that, make it as a bun and drop in a little hairpin. Apply some hair wax in the middle section of the hair, comb it and separate it from the back section and make a ponytail at the back. Then grab a strip of hair in the middle section and have it tied with a lovely string and braid it. So grab strips of hair from the front, making the ridges visible and braid it along with it. So continue braiding it until you empty every hair in the middle section and braid it as normal as you would do a few inches away. When you reach the rubber band at the back, have strips of hair from the ponytail and attach it to the braid, making it in between the grabs. So continue braiding it until you reach the very end and also empty every hair in the ponytail as well. Then secure the end with the rubber band once when you're done. Then have the braid roll in a clockwise manner and make it into a coil. Then hide the tips underneath the bun we just now created. Then if you want, you can decorate with your lovely hairpin or hairband. Apply some hair wax and grab the top section of the hair and make a ponytail out of it and split the tail into three and braid it and secure it to the top temporarily. Then grab another section of the hair right below it and split them into two parts and bring the braid back and have it at the center and tie with the rubber band. Drop it inside to get a favorite twisted band using a hair loop. Then continue doing it one more time at the bottom. Then after that, braid it and fold it to the top and have a lovely hairband. A braided bun in the middle of the star-shaped loop. Apply some hair wax and make two ponytails on each side and one in the top section and split them into two and have rubber bands with multiple loops and tie it together. Then after that, tie every pairs on the outer section, making a loop. Then with the remaining tails we have, combine them together at the bottom, closing the shape and forming a ponytail. Then split the tail into two parts and make it go across each other by making a thicker braid. Roll it anti-clockwise and secure the tip underneath the bun by having a rubber band. Choose a lovely bun clutcher and hold your entire ponytail and twist it and make it swirl in a clockwise direction and hide the tip underneath the bun and choose your bun clutcher and have it underneath it. Then choose your lovely hair clutcher right under that. Colorful braid on top of a ponytail. Choose a lovely hairband that has artificial hair that is braided and colored and have it attached to the bottom of the ponytail and bring it back and leave it as such. Choose a simple elastic hairband and hold your lovely hair from behind and tie it with the hairband completely and securing it. Thank you everyone for watching this video.